I'm going to play with an interactive 10 frame and show you how to make addition sentences that make 10. So the question is, how many squares are empty? So let's count the squares that are empty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the squares that are empty, and these are the circles. They are different. So how many squares are empty? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means that 4 circles plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares equals 10, because we're working with the 10 frame and we have 10 spaces, 10 squares and circles. So circles and squares are 10. So the question again, how many squares are empty? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I go ahead and write number 6. How many circles are there? So I will just count the circles. 1, 2. So we say 2 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equals 10, because everything here is gonna equal to 10. So 1, 2 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equals 10. So we say 2 circles. I can also use this one over here. There you go. Next question, how many circles are there? Let's count the circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have 2 squares. So that means that 8 plus 2 equals 10. Okay, so let me just write it again. 1 and 0. Okay, let me check again. Oh, it didn't work. So let me try again. I don't know why it didn't work. Okay. 1 and 0. Okay, it doesn't matter. Let's go to the build part. It says move 3 to the frame. So we go 1, 2, 3. And same thing. You can say 3 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 equals 10. Let's see what happens. Move 10 to the frame. So you can move 5 here and 5 here to make 10. There you go. And we say 10 plus 0 equals 10. Very easy. So when the student is moving these circles, they can't put it right here. They should start in order. They should start in here. 1, 2, 3. Let's see what happens if I move 2 here. Click on done. It works anyway, but they can get used to putting them in order. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we say 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equals 10. It is important for students to know that there are empty squares and circles to make 10. Let's see this other game. How many more? Oh, this is the one when they're actually making 10. How many more circles to fill the frame? So they'll have to do the exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 circles. And how many squares? Because usually they don't count the empty squares. They don't count them. So we say 1. There you go. Here. So it's important they count 1, 2, 3, 4, and they relate 4 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They know that 4 is related to 6 because they make 10. Okay? So here we say 6. That's the answer. How many circles? You can always ask them how many circles or tokens if you're using tokens, and how many squares, or how many blanks, how many spaces. It's important that they know what the 10 frame is made of. Something physical and something that is filling in a square and an empty square.